If they have funds to deploy, I would highly suggest, even if they want to go active, I would suggest investing in a few deals passively. You want to make sure you vet the deal sponsor, that you find out who's actually running the deal. Make sure it's not just somebody that's raising the equity, which is fine. There are groups out there that raise equity and maybe help with investor relations and whatnot. But get to the bottom of who's actually running the deal, and then look at their track record and their team, and are they capable of doing whatever the business plan is, right, and performing on it, because that's essentially what's going to determine if it's going to be a successful investment or not. Yes, the location and the actual deal is important, but if you don't have somebody leading it that knows what they're doing, then it's not worth anything. And then after that, you can also maybe talk to that group, and some will let you see some of the stuff on how to maybe attend some of the asset management meetings or whatnot. I know we've done certain things like that before for somebody looking to be active and wants to see more. And then if your ultimate goal is to be active, I think you really need to be thinking about what you can bring to the table to an experienced group so you can learn from them, whether you've got a great network and you think you can raise equity, or you really know how to hunt for deals and you're good at building relationships and you think you can get that deal flow, or maybe it's you're really good with numbers and you can underwrite deals. Whatever it is, figure out what that is and then offer that to those experienced groups and learn from them.